Efforts to discredit and smear the NBI chief are on overdrive online by trolls and agents of disinformation, seeking to twist his request for an earlier date to take the witness stand as excuse to skip his appointment outright. Thus, NBI Director Melvin Matibag issued a clarification statement earlier in the day, citing he is good to go anytime, even before his slated subpoena date, as our Elijah Canlas reports.
NBI or National Bureau of Investigation Director Melvin Matibag denied reports, claiming he is unprepared to testify at the Senate impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte. He said this is a misimpression regarding his request to move his testimony to an earlier date.
Sa Lunes yan, I'll be appearing on Monday. Actually, I'd just like to correct the impression that ako'y humihingi na mapuspone. Katunayan, ang aking sulat, I'm respectfully requesting na kung maaari mapaaga yung aking pagtestigo. Kasi nakaschedule ako on the 3rd week.
According to Matibag, he requested that his schedule to testify be moved to an earlier date so he can attend a regional scam summit in Bangkok, Thailand. The event partnered with the Federal Bureau of Investigation or FBI and the Royal Thai Police will run from July 21 to 22. He emphasized the importance of the summit to the country and the rare opportunity to meet high-ranking officials from the United States.
Nire-request ko sana itong week na to, sana today hanggang tomorrow, makapagtestigo ako because meron akong imbitasyon sa Bangkok. Yung sa Scam Summit ito. Gano'n ka-importante ito? This is one of the occasion kung saan yung ating pag-stay out of the gray list dun sa money laundering, may point system kasama sana to. And the best part dito, kaya ako personal na gustong pumunta, yung opportunity na magkaroon kami ng side meeting ni Director Kash Patel na ina-arrange nung mga counterparts namin from the FBI sa US Embassy.
Although a heated discussion ensued in court, where Senator Judges Alan Peter Cayetano and Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian criticized his seeming dictation of the Senate's calendar, the director immediately clarified the matter.
I respectfully requested, hindi po ako nagdidikta, and I think wala po tayong poder na magdikta. We have high regards to the impeachment court and to the members of the impeachment court. The senator judges, the prosecution, and the defense.
He also clarified that he is willing to appear voluntarily even without a subpoena, as the trial remains his priority.
Don't have to wait for the subpoena because under the law, yung subpoena naman is the way of the court to compel a witness to be present. Kung voluntary ka naman pupunta, hindi naman na kailangan ng subpoena. Pero yun na nga, nakikiusap lang sana ako para parehas kong mapuntahan yung dalawang pangyayari na yan. Kung pwede sana na mapaaga. Hindi mo maatras, mapaaga.
His testimony is expected to center on the NBI's official investigation and findings regarding the controversial online threats by Vice President Sara Duterte against the first couple and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Elijah Canlas for The Nation.